Monday.com, or Things 3. Two productivity giants. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Monday.com, the flexible work OS for teams. On the right, Things 3, the beautiful personal task manager for Apple users. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what matters. Each round gets scored, and at the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown in 2025. The result might surprise you.
Before we get deep into it, here's the game plan. We're going to look at price, collaboration, customization and workflows, platform availability, design and ease of use, advanced features, reminders and task management, and, oh yeah, customer support. So, a little bit of everything that matters, really. Let's kick this off with price. Monday.com actually offers a free plan, which sounds awesome for anyone flying solo, but as soon as you want those advanced features, it's monthly fees time. Costs add up quick for larger teams, so yeah, that can sting. Now, Things 3 is kind of quirky here. You pay just once per device, which is nice because who loves subscriptions anyway? But heads up, you need to buy it separately for Mac, iPhone, iPad, and, well, there's no group plan if your family wants in. Looking at bang for your buck, Things 3 is honestly the easier pill to swallow. Next, collaboration. This is where you really see the gap. Monday.com is built straight up for teams. You get real-time updates, shared boards, the whole works. If your crew needs to manage a project, Monday's got all the bells and whistles. There's a bit of a learning curve, so don't expect to master it in 5 minutes, but it's worth it if you're working with others. Now, Things 3, it's just for you. No sharing boards, no team task lists. If collaboration is a must-have, Monday.com absolutely takes the win here. All right, let's talk customization and workflows. Monday.com is seriously loaded. Kanban, Gantt, timelines, automations, a pile of templates, integrations with your favorite apps, you name it. Just keep in mind, you'll need those pricier tiers for some of the fancy stuff. With Things 3, you can play around with tags and projects. Filtering and sorting is a breeze, but it's mainly personal stuff. Less automation, fewer integration options. Monday.com is the clear king of customization. Oh, and here's something cool I found out.
Things 3 is Apple only, like totally. Meanwhile, Monday.com lets you jump between pretty much any device you own. Kinda random, kinda important. Just saying. Platform availability is a biggie. Monday.com's like everywhere. Web, Windows, Mac, iOS, Android. If you switch devices like socks, you're covered. Things 3, it's a total Apple devotee. Runs beautifully on Mac, iPhone, iPad, and even the Apple Watch, but that's literally it. If you're living in Apple land, it's perfect. But otherwise, Monday.com's got way more range. Design and ease of use. This is where Things 3 absolutely flexes. Monday.com has a modern, clean interface, and those boards are super customizable. But for basics, it can kind of feel overwhelming, especially if you're just trying to keep a simple task list. Things 3, though, man, it's just elegant. Super simple, really intuitive, get things done friendly, and the onboarding is almost instant. Sure, if you're a power user, there's less to play with, but for most folks, Things 3 makes productivity look fun. Advanced features time! Monday.com goes wild with analytics, reporting, integrations, even time tracking. If you want to geek out with data and connect every tool under the sun, it's made for you. But again, some of the best features are paywalled. Things 3, well, it keeps it chill with basic calendar sync and tags. No crazy analytics or reporting here. So if you need the heavy stuff, Monday.com is definitely ahead. Reminders and task management are honestly why a lot of folks use these apps in the first place. Monday.com gives you subtasks, a timeline view, file attachments, all the cool bits. But reminders are tied to projects, not really for just personal stuff. Meanwhile, Things 3 makes reminders its bread and butter. Recurring tasks, quick entry, really strong notifications. There is a hiccup with project hierarchy, but for managing your own tasks, Things 3 is just effortless. Customer support now. Monday.com's got onboarding guides and even 24/7 support if you pay for higher tiers. Free users, you might wait a little longer though. Things 3, support's super responsive and actually well reviewed, but there aren't tons of self-help resources. Honestly, between the two, they're both pretty decent here. No clear winner. Visualizing what we've covered so far, you'll see Monday.com just dominates in features, platform availability, and collaboration. But Things 3 is unbeatable for price and, honestly, design simplicity. The radar chart totally shows those strengths side by side. So, bottom line, if you're managing a full-blown team or you want all the bells and whistles, Monday.com is probably your best bet, no question. But if you're an Apple fan looking for a stunning personal task app you won't have to pay for every single month, Things 3 is something you'll genuinely love. Hey, was this comparison helpful? Let me know what you want me to break down next. I'm always up for a challenge, and seriously, suggestions make these videos way more fun.